Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We are crossing the Cairo I-57 Bridge, a steel-through arch structure that carries 4 lanes of Interstate 57 across the Mississippi River. The bridge opened in 1978 and spans just over 4,000 feet, rising more than 100 feet above the river. It connects southern Illinois to Missouri, providing a critical route for commercial trucks, travelers, and regional traffic. Its design is a steel arch, which allows it to support heavy loads while giving boats plenty of clearance underneath. The bridge was built to replace older ferry crossings and to improve safety and efficiency for vehicles crossing the wide Mississippi. Driving across, you can see the vast Mississippi stretching out below and appreciate the engineering that allows the bridge to withstand strong currents, storms, and decades of heavy use. It is a modern landmark and an essential link between states. Thanks for watching!